If you're looking for the perfect chicken recipe to serve for your guests or for your family, try out this easy, simple, flavorful, mouth-watering tandoori chicken, which is going to be spot on. You can make this chicken at the comfort of your couch because we are going to be oven grilling our tandoori chicken. This recipe calls for half a chicken, but you can double up the ingredients and make a whole chicken for your family. So my chicken is washed and clean, and I've also pat dried the top of my chicken. As you can see, it's very dry. You can also keep it in the fridge after washing and let the chicken dry off. So the ingredients are very versatile, and I'm going to get straight into making this delicious tandoori chicken. So using a sharp knife, I'm going to make slits on my chicken so that the spices or the marinade can seep into the chicken. So I'm going to make very deep cuts on my chicken. You want all the goodness to seep into your chicken. So the next thing is to marinate my chicken. So over here I have a baking tray which is non-stick. If you don't have a non-stick baking tray, you can simply lay some foil on your baking tray so that your chicken doesn't stick. So I'm going to keep my chicken aside. And in my baking tray, I'm going to transfer my very huge chicken. This is a large bird. And then I'm going to be mixing in all the ingredients. So I'm going to be adding in a couple of spices which are very flavorful. I have some garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, some black pepper, tandoori spice, garam masala, black pepper. And also I have some fresh garlic and ginger, which is going to add in lots of flavor. To make the chicken very creamy, I'm going to be adding in 1 cup yogurt. And 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm going to rub in all the marinade on my chicken, making sure to go in between the slits that I made. You want to make sure all the goodness is seeping into the chicken. And once done, you're going to flip your chicken and coat the other side with the marinade. So once you're done coating the chicken with the delicious marinade, you're going to let this sit for around 30 minutes. And if you have time, you'll marinate your chicken overnight in the fridge, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. When you're done marinating your chicken, you're going to be preheating your oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And when your oven is ready, you're going to be baking your chicken at 200 degrees Celsius for 40 to 50 minutes. This tandoori chicken recipe will leave you salivating because the chicken turns out soft, tender, very flavorful, and mouth-watering. I've served up my chicken with some fries, and also the presentation is just 100% perfect. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy and simple chicken recipe.